Today we'll show you how to look out YouTube channel, in Google Chrome. Okay, just follow these steps and don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching. First, open your Google and you'll be finally have our Logout Logoto guide. Just click subscribe. Okay, guys. Okay. So after this, just go now to your icon. This is YouTube. Okay, this is YouTube. Open your YouTube page and go to your icon. Just click and you'll be finally here like sign out your account. Okay, if you have others like maybe like this, you can click just like here from sign out, and if you want to add an account, you can just click here to add account and add like a new Gmail, and finally will be have the new accounts here, and you can sign out what you want, like one channel, two channel, you can look out what you want. Okay, guys, just follow these steps and don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.